Alright, so this is the D6 battery. This is the N6 battery. Okay, so we're gonna test the D6 battery first. D6 battery. Not even 1 volt. Okay, that's port number 1. Here's the second port of the D6 battery. Not even 1 volt. Okay, now this is the N6 battery. .31 volts, 31.5 volts. And then we're gonna do the second port, this one right here. .57 volts. Okay, now we're gonna check the balance leads. The charge port. This is for the N6 right here. That's gonna be tricky. Yeah. But it's showing 6 volts though. I'll get it in there. There you go. 6 volts. Bad BMS. Okay. N6. Now D6. Let's see what it's showing. Dang it. Okay, there we go. 0.354 volts.